Hi guys, so after many months, it's finally time for the last Florida vlog. In this vlog, there are 4 days, January 1, 2, 3, 4. If you guys haven't watched the last 2 Florida vlogs, I would suggest watching those first. But in this video, January 1st, we were just at home, so there's just one clip there of us celebrating Nito Auntie's birthday. January 2nd, we went to Animal Kingdom. January 3rd, we went to Epcot. And then January 4th was just us leaving. Morning, it is 10:30 and we are in Animal Kingdom. We played charades last night.
I got a little heated.
We always win, and we did get last place this time, but literally it was just our beginner's luck.
The moms are so bad that the dads get like the second time to guess it, and then they stole like 5 points.
Yeah, but if we were sitting in that spot, like I know we would have
we would have gotten it.
Yeah. We just went on Avatar River journey, super pretty. But we're in Africa right now. Guys, you know what we realized? There's literally Indian food everywhere here. Because first we were in Pandora and there was like this place called Tiffin's. It had like butter chicken, gobi manchurian. And then now we're literally in Africa and they're like serving tandoori chicken. And we're not even in the Asia part yet.
No, you already know we're gonna eat Indian food today.
Yeah, like we're going to eat Indian food.
You already know.
We're literally eating. But all the stores that we've been to for snacks so far the last few days have just been churros or pizza.
Yeah.
Like everywhere we've been.
And like $7. You can get
I know.
at Costco
Bro,
for $1.
the churros are so expensive for literally no reason. And they're not even, they were so dry.
Wait, they're not even that big. They're like this big.
Yeah, and they're literally so dry. How are you today?
Heartbroken.
What?
Oh
yeah.
Ex-best friend.
I'm not friends with Manjari anymore.
Where is my best friend?
My best friend is missing. Oh my god, that smells so good. That's my ex-best friend. Goodbye.
Oh, my best friend's here.
Hi. We just found pickles. I love pickles. I've never had a Disney pickle before. Mithu, have you had a Disney pickle before? Dexter said Disney. It's not opening. Where's my best friend? I'll have him open. Right here, wow. All that working out. Good crunch. Good acidity. But it's a little bit like something's missing. I sit down with my tub of Grillo's pickles and I just eat. And
Chick-fil-A pickles are so good.
I've never had Chick-fil-A pickles. But I only got into pickles recently. I used to think they were disgusting. What did you get?
We got a marinated chicken flatbread.
How is it, Rishi?
No.
Good? Okay, my turn. Not as good as the chicken you made yesterday, Mommy.
I'm flattered.
It was actually really good. How was your chicken last night?
So good.
How was your corn? Look at him! Look at him!
Too.
Look at him! He's back. Are you gonna go get your own Central Uncle?
Yeah.
How was your pretzel so far?
It's awesome.
Awesome.
Yeah, the combo is also awesome.
Best thing I've ate at the park so far. I agree.
We're inside the tree right now. This is the
Adam and Eve tree, the biblical illusion.
and we're inside it right now, and we're gonna watch a bug move. Guys, the pina colada slushie, so yummy. Yeah, what is this, Ane?
Muffin.
Muffin.
You want some?
No, I had something. Did you try both of them? Which one's better? Really? I like that one better.
We have to finish it before we go on.
Here at the very front of the truck, I'm going to be cutting, guys. You can follow along. There's no point in supporting now.
Hello.
20 for the offer.
went on a side
Move your
quest
hand.
for this. High five. Yes, partners in crime. We almost didn't make it in line, guys, but it's okay. Cause look, this is what happens. This is what happens every single day. You know what? Yesterday, he ate my chicken, and then he ate my mac and cheese, and then today he drank my chai tea latte, and before I could get a bite, he just started grabbing and eating it every single day. Yesterday I was eating Cheez-Its, he grabbed the box from me and he wouldn't give it back.
You told me to take it away from you.
No, you said take it away from me, Aditya.
No,
I'm
you
gonna
were
eat the whole
fucking
box.
with the
Whatever,
Cheez-Its.
bro.
You were
Whatever.
fucking with the
And he
Cheez-Its.
was the one who suggested that we eat ice cream for the second time tomorrow. It's 5:55. We just went on the Everest ride. What did you think, John B?
Okay, I was like really scared at first, but then like in the moment it was good.
Okay. I'll just put my photo in. Explains a lot. No words needed. We're heading to the Flight of Passage, Avatar 1.
Mount Everest.
Yes, this is Mount Everest behind us because also we're in Asia right now. So pretty. Because it's a really long wait. Earlier this morning it was 4-hour wait. And we tried to get lightning pass for it, but it wasn't available. And now the wait is like 1:20, 1:30ish.
Yeah.
So. Good morning, it's 10:30, we're in Epcot and we just went on the test track ride. What did you think, John B?
I got first place. Yeah.
We're not gonna talk
she
about
didn't
what
get-
place me and Bestie got. Me and Bestie were partnered up and we made a hot pink car.
Oh, we actually had a purple car.
Okay, whatever. What do you guys think of the ride?
Oh, it doesn't.
What color did you guys design your car?
Purple.
Yeah.
Purple.
We just went on the Guardians of the Galaxy ride. What did you guys think?
It was so good. I really liked that one.
That was probably my favorite ride.
Order here, online, order here.
That's probably my favorite ride of all the rides we've been to all the time that we've been here. What did you think of the ride?
The ride was awesome. I didn't expect that.
The Guardians of the Galaxy.
Yeah. It was
It
so
was
good.
really good. It was really good. Guys, you know how I said that my fear of roller coasters lessened? Nito Auntie also said that, and then John B also said that. So if you're scared of roller coasters, you need to plan a roller coaster trip. Now we're going to Soaring, which is like a flying ride above California, which is where we're from.
Which is where we're from.
The land of our people. Taking a lunch break. Dexter, how was your boba?
Oh, it's good. I like
She's
it.
been craving boba for a while. I got. Well, John B, what did you get? Got some chicken fried rice. How is it?
It's really good.
Salmon and mashed potatoes.
Is it good?
The mashed potatoes are good.
When we tried tacos at Universal, I threw up, right? 4 times. And so I was like, why not try it again? It tastes like popcorn paste.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel.
We did a few more rides. It's actually really empty today, guys. Because I think that
There's
everyone's-
nothing.
Yeah,
There's no
but it's
point
also
getting
the
lightning
fast
passes.
pass.
Everything is freaking.
Yeah, literally there's
10
no lines.
minutes.
Everything is 10 or max 15 minutes.
And today's Monday.
Yeah, and today's a Monday? Today's a Wednesday, no? It's a Wednesday, guys, and everyone's starting to go home, so it's empty. Today's our last day. Hi guys, we kind of had a little split, broken heart, because
We're making new core memories.
yeah, because today all our rides have been like 10 to 15 minutes, and then the Ratatouille ride we had to wait in that line for 115 minutes. So the 5 of us, me, Dexter, John B, and then Bestie Boo and Mitu, we kind of split off from the group because they're all waiting in line for Ratatouille, and we're trying to find the Inside Out place.
So it turns out the Inside Out thing was not at this park, which is like, but we went on this one imagination ride, and then we went on the test track ride again just now. Guys, it feels so much faster at night. Like I genuinely think it was faster, but Sentimental says it's just because like it's nighttime. Me and Dax have a New Year's resolution, and we're gonna go to the gym every Sunday because we actually live really close. Out of everyone, we live the closest. Hi. Bye. Bye. That was our trip. Thank you for watching.
I hope you enjoyed watching our trip to Florida, and I promise that was the last part. There's no more parts coming out in the next few months, but I actually do have another video planned for later this week, and that's a prom video, so look forward to that as well, and I'll see you there. Goodbye.